Project OS was introduced into the Mildura community because of a perception, in fact a reality of some extreme levels of violence that were occurring. We could see that there was a level of community concern, and we could see that things were only going to get worse if we didn't do something about it. We all came together under this structured format and formed a committee and worked very hard towards achieving the goal of educating the public about the dangers of ice. We've seen some stunning outcomes as a result of this.
Research shows the more opportunities children get to go to kinder, the better learning outcomes they have. So we've looked at things like developing resources for perhaps families who have English as a second language or more vulnerable families, to give them a better idea about what kindergarten is there for and why it's so important that their children attend.
I think probably one of the biggest challenges for young people in Mildura is the ability to be able to access tertiary and further education. Over the last few years, the Northern Mallee Community Partnership has really worked together with the education sector, primary, secondary, tertiary, TAFE, to be making sure that opportunities for kids in school are as good as they possibly can be.
Flow Connect, our aim here is to reach the young people of our local community who have disengaged from their education and therefore most times are disconnected from their community as well. So we aim to re-engage the young person back into education through identifying their strengths and working with them to realise their potential, their aspirations.
They gave me my self-confidence back. Flow put me back up to the standard that I needed to be at. They put me in the right state of mind. They put me in just feeling like I could do it really and giving me the strength that I needed to do it. You would have talked to me 2 years ago or something and I would have said I would have no clue what I wanted to do, no clue how I was going to get there. And now I'm here, I have a way to get there, I have a future.
Local key agencies have been working for a long time to get a national platform here to address mental health issues early. So Headspace Mildura will open early next year, and it's really a holistic integrated service using all the existing key services here under one roof and one banner, so that young people can come and get mental health, physical health, drug and alcohol, vocational education, and a range of services, risk of homelessness, all under one roof.
I think it's really good. I think it provides young people with more of a space to be able to talk about issues that are affecting their lives. I think it's a little bit daunting when they go to things like just going to the GP or talking to parents. It can be really difficult. So it's important that they have a place where they can just voice what they feel and they know that they can go there to talk about things that they do care about and their own health.
The changes that we've seen is the building of relationships between the different organisations and the understanding that you need to work together to pool resources and work towards the same line of sight so that programs can be developed which really have depth within them as well as the breadth of working across the whole community. Some of the changes have been the community becoming activated around the really big issues that we have in this town, around education, around drugs, around alcohol, around healthy eating and around physical activity. And these are issues that have always been there, but now we're seeing the community becoming part of that change as well.